LA and Colin Gaming here from Karen Colin Associates. I want to show you a virtual tour of our new country listing, 5214 Cedar Springs Road. Let's check it out. Beautiful property, well back from Cedar Springs on just over 2 acres, featuring a bungalow with amazing basement walkout, just under 1,400 square feet. And we're offering at $1,199,000. Offers being accepted December 10th. Let's take a look. Look at this view.
What's that structure behind you, Troy?
It is an amazing man cave. Or garage, I mean. Did I say man cave?
It could be anything you'd like.
Yeah.
This is certainly one of the major selling features of this property. It is a fully enclosed, could be a drive shed, could be storage, could be finished and actual turned into living space. Right now there is electricity that runs to it, so you can run some heaters, you can run some lights, and you can make it your own space.
High ceiling, more than enough to have a lift for the hobbyist or vehicle enthusiast. Amazing that it's here. Nice parking turnaround back here with a rear entrance as well.
Yeah, so another super awesome selling feature here is the walkout from the basement. So what was the square footage again, Troy?
We're 1377.
And that's
grade, so not including the basement.
Excellent. So parking wise, let's talk about how many cars we think we could fit.
We can fit a lot in here.
Wow.
Lots of room.
So I just would like to show what's behind this property, because it's absolutely stunning, and you get an excellent view of that from the balcony off of the kitchen, which we'll show you next. But as you can see, we have totally beautiful, stunning country views. Right now we're sitting on top of I'd call it a valley, and absolutely nothing except beautiful Canadian forest behind you.
Gorgeous, nice view, slopes away just right.
Perfect grade, yeah, absolutely. We're certainly sitting on a high point here, and this property is just absolutely stunning. So renovators, builders, anyone interested in just a bit more space and a bit more privacy, this is certainly worth your time.
For sure. Having said that, we're less than 10 minutes to the hub, right downtown Burlington. It's a quick trip down Cedar Springs to Branch Street. Just talking minutes.
And yeah, so about, I'd say, 5-10 minutes and right on Dundas. So without further ado, and before my fingers freeze off, we'll go inside and show you everything that this has to offer. So just beautiful trees on this property. I just really want you guys to see everything that we're seeing. If you have any questions or any comments, please chime in if you're watching live. We'd be happy to address them as they come in. If you're watching this after it's been reposted, please put your comments in and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.
Absolutely. And again, if you're just joining us, we're at 5214 Cedar Springs Road, offering at $1,199,000, just over 2 acres, and we're just under 1,400 square feet of bungalow.
Beautiful.
I actually love the styling of this bungalow. I think it's perfect for a resto mod. Really great layout. Tons of potential.
Easy to work with too if you wanted to build. Great layout. So without further ado, Facebook world, let's go inside and check out our brand new listing.
Colin, take it away.
Thank you very much, Troy. So guys, now that we're inside, we're warm, we're going to spend a bit of time inside taking you through some of the features of this brand new listing, and we're going to start off this way into the bedrooms.
So we've got 3 bedrooms up here.
Absolutely. Great. So the first one off to your left, currently set up more as an office. That being said, it is abutting right up to the master. So depending on who's purchasing this house, if you're going to be renovating, certainly an opportunity here to move a wall and almost double the size of your master.
I love that idea. Make it 2 up and 1 down. There's more than enough room to make a bedroom downstairs.
Absolutely. And if you're thinking about building, the layouts doesn't so much matter, but nonetheless, let's come through and
we're back. Sorry for that intermission. hopefully took advantage of the time. Colin, let's recap.
Absolutely. So about that. So we're 3 bedrooms up here. We just dropped some connection with our Facebook Live. So we're back on now. We're going to do a quick run through just what we just saw. So we're not really sure. So number 1, bedroom number 1 of 3. Excellent opportunity to move a wall. Very easy renovation. Doubles the size of your master. If you'd like a huge walk-in, a nice private ensuite, the space is here, and minor renovations will do that.
Really generous rooms.
So to come into bedroom number 3, again, excellent size space. Closet over here, a double closet on the other side as well. And again, very likely this is going to be, the buyer here will be doing some renovations. So what I really want to showcase and really drive home here is that the space and how easy of a renovation it would be to modify the footprint here, because the square footage is there. It's very traditionally laid out, and any renovators watching this, you'll certainly be able to pick up on the tricks to make this absolutely stunning.
Oh, for sure. I think lots of potential with reasonable input.
So guys, we have an updated, beautiful kitchen. And as you can see, we'll take you over there. This is what I want to focus on right now, is this beautiful view. So this is the oversized balcony that I pointed out when we wanted to walk down behind the garage. And if you can imagine spending your time out here, peace and quiet, can hear nothing from the road because we're so far back as well. We're right behind the house. We're raised up almost on a second level because this is a walkout. And check out the privacy, a beautiful pine, birch trees, and
just gorgeous. Great space.
Absolutely. So we'll continue
Back
on.
into the kitchen.
So we will take you through. So we have a nice double sink, pot filler on top of the stove.
Fantastic.
How do you beat that? Lots and lots of windows. So right now it's not the nicest weather. It's a bit gray, a bit overcast, but oversized windows. Have a look at that view from your kitchen.
Not to mention we've got a sub-zero refrigerator, built-in, double oven set up.
Absolutely. So come on into the family room. Again, windows, exposed beams. The amount of character that is in this house is stunning. Would really like to see someone utilize it. Almost has a bit of a cottage feel to it.
It does, or a ski chalet.
That's exactly where I was going, chalet. So again, oversized windows, beautiful space. Now we're gonna run downstairs. We did have a bit of connectivity issues last time. We're gonna try and keep it going without a hitch. Bear with us.
Alrighty, on to the basement. Nice open staircase, floating stairs. Again, we've got a basement walkout to the backyard. Nice big window. We're on grade here, not below grade, which is fantastic. Rec room area. Large mechanical room, tons of room for storage, your laundry's in here, etc.
Just want to showcase the amount of extra space that's not quite finished, but tons of room for storage, laundry, you have your furnace and everything down here as well. And we'll continue on. And we're back again, guys. Just a bit of technical